If you need to cut a piece of pipe off real squarely on the end, say I'm making a coil, but for whatever reason, and you don't have like a drop saw or chop saw or whatever radial arm saw, I'm no good at doing it with a hacksaw, so what I do is I typically just measure whatever distance I need, make several points. As you can see, I used a marker. Then I put a piece of tape, whatever kind of tape, masking tape, and then take your hacksaw and start to cut, and then you can just work your way around the edge of the tape, or you can saw straight through it, whatever, but anyway, you don't have to eyeball it. My eyeball is no good, and every time I try to do it I get a crooked cut. So with this technique I found it's straightforward, it's simple, and you get a really nice square cut. Okay, so back to my project that I'm really working on.